Hello cuties, welcome back to our Tick Tick Toys. Today we are going to learn some animals' names. So let's get started. Hey! This one is a cow. Cow goes moo, moo. This one is a sheep. Sheep goes ba, ba. This one is a bull. Bull. And here we have a duck. Quack quack, quack quack. Hey. And this one is a calf. 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 It's a lamb. Buh, buh, buh. And this one is a goat. Goat goes meh, meh, meh. Yay, great job kids, great job. And this one is a dog. Woof woof, woof woof, woof woof, dog. Woof woof. This one is a sleeping owl. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Hey, owl. And this one is a cute little rabbit. 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 And this one is a rooster. Rooster goes cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Hey. And these are two swans. And this one is a pig with a curly tail. Hey. Pig. And this cute little yellow animal is a giraffe. It has a very long neck. Giraffe. And here we have another ducky. Quack quack, quack quack, quack quack. Ducky. Duck. And this one is a polar bear. Polar bear. I hope you enjoyed learning animals' names with our Tick Tick Toys. Hey! Don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.